Welcome back, YouTube. I'm just tidying up some stuff. I had an issue with the car. No crank, no start. Was a lot of stuff to do. A lot of stuff. But we got a new alternator. We got a new starter. We got new grounds. I just finished up the suspension work. So I'm running a little bit behind. I'm painting the calipers now, new brakes. Those rotors are good, just need to be cleaned up. New control arms, new lower ball joints, those are fun. New axle, BC's coilovers. And this car didn't have this because they put the cold air intake there, which was fucking stupid. And we're not gonna do that. Gotta put new headlights in. But the car does run and drive. I just got a bunch of stuff to do. I gotta do the transmission oil change. Freaking type. Look at how beautiful that blue is. Yeah. Fresh brakes. Kicking my ass, man. And then from the no crank, no start, we had to we took all this off, and I got to put all that back now and vacuum this because we found a rat's nest. And yeah, beautiful. And then after that, we would do the first video of it running, and then the first clean video of it, you know. But it's gonna be a little bit. I gotta paint the bumpers. I haven't had time. I've just been busy. Got caught up with a buddy of mine whose car broke down. So then my other buddy came over today, and just been, you know, a couple things. Just, well, I'm getting it done. It's just slowly but surely. So tomorrow we'll do the radiator, bleed the system, plug everything up. This car will be on the ground as far as suspension, and then I'll be buttoning up the front, and hopefully we'll be taking it for a drive tomorrow. See what it does. You know, fine tuning like we did with the EP3, but which that girl fucking, she just rips, dude. She just rips. You know, I got a little oil leak and a small exhaust leak I gotta take care of, but other than that, and I gotta change the knock sensor. Those three things, beautiful. That's it. Everything else, I basically rebuilt this thing. You know, everything's been replaced on this fucking thing. Yeah. She goes, man. She goes. It's AP3. Yep. This thing's gonna look nasty, man. I wish I didn't have to paint, because it's not that I can't do it, it's just I'm so fucking busy. But yeah, I wish I could just drop it off somewhere. Like, here, get this done where I could finish this. Gotta change the headlights, put the LED bulbs in. We got a fucking chrome radiator coming in. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty, man. It's gonna be pretty, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of my work. So the crank no start was, I'm an idiot. I didn't plug these two in because I thought these were for the fan, but it turns out these are for the fan. That one and this one. And so I realized that, and I plugged that in, and boom. Yeah, I'm an idiot. So, but yeah, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Like, you have any ideas or anything will be helpful. Anything. I think I got a brake leak. Just noticed that. Yep. Awesome. Probably from sitting, but probably, or the seal. Yeah. Which, and if anything, I'll just fucking change the seal out. Whatever. Stupid shit. We'll get it done. Yeah. Always finding new fucking things. I haven't even driven the car yet, but what do you expect? The car's 20 years old. Exactly 20 years old. You know, what more do you want? You know, shit happens. You know, like your axle can just rot out like for no reason, right, Lloyd? Right, your axle. You just ride out and just, yeah. But yeah, any suggestions you guys have to make the car better, even look better, put it on the comments, man. I want to hear it, hear your thoughts. I got some ideas, I have some stuff. I'm not there yet, you know. I'm just not there yet. I'm just not there yet, unfortunately. But I'm getting it done. Car does run, starts up. I got so many things to do, so little time. What can you do? All right, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. All right, just finished up for the day. We got all these parts here. Got to put on. Radiator, condenser, hoses, coolant, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, rear brakes. Got a lot done. I mean, I'm a little behind schedule, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Cleaned up nice. I gotta do the whole inside and everything, and they're all done. Alright, guys. I'm just giving you an update. See what's up.